real peace, and no longer hate, and no longer suspicion.
Presiden Prabowo Subianto menutup pidato di Sidang PBB pada Selasa 23 September dengan mendorong two-state solution atas konflik Palestina-Israel. Prabowo menekankan dua keturunan Abraham harus hidup dalam perdamaian, rekonsiliasi, serta harmoni. Presiden menyebut Indonesia memiliki komitmen untuk mewujudkan bagian dalam visi tersebut.
That this sense of injustice, this sense of oppression will unite into a strong force that will overcome this oppression, that will overcome this injustice. To close, I would like to reiterate again Indonesia's complete support for the two-state solution in Palestine. We must have an independent Palestine, but we must also recognize, we must also respect, and we must also guarantee the safety and security of Israel. Only then we can have real peace, and no longer hate and no longer suspicion. The only solution is this two-state solution. Two descendants of Abraham must live in reconciliation, peace, and harmony. Arabs, Jews, Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Buddhists, all religions, we must live as one human family. Indonesia is committed to being part of making this vision a reality. Is this a dream? Maybe, but this is the beautiful dream that we must work together towards. Let us work towards this noble goal. Let us continue humanity's journey of hope, a journey started by our forefathers, a journey that we must complete. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om. Namo Buddhaya. Thank you very much. May God bless us all. May peace be upon us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. On behalf of the Assembly, I wish to thank the President of the Republic of Indonesia.
Demikian informasi terkini Syederalun. Saksikan terus informasi lainnya. Jangan lupa like dan share seluruh akun serambinews.com.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.